Okay, let's start this on off. Here what we gonna do about it. You see me, I'm just pretty much washing the shrimp, checking through there, making sure everything is nice and, clean. Can't have no doodle in your shrimp. Yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna clean it up. Got my shrimp washed. I ain't into the YouTube thing, I'm new at this. Um, Wiping it down, sanitizing so I can get to the rest of it. Bam. Bam, I know y'all see that. Bam. Onion powder. You know, season how you want to season, because everybody's going to have their own diagnosis, I guess, for this. Crack that egg. Hit it with that hot sauce. Getting it flavored up all the way through. Tighten the egg yolk. Comment though, comment, let me know something. Let me know if it's something I could be doing better. Show me something new. Show me something else. I'm a person that love to eat. I feed my family, it's all good. So what I'm doing now, you see I got it tucked off in there. Got the flour. Hitting with that cornstarch, it's supposed to be for the crispy ispy. Hitting with a little Nashville. Tighten up the seasoning in the flour as well, so it's gonna be, this is gonna be some heat all the way through. Corn flakes. You already know what that's about. Them corn flakes, me just doing some, just trying to crunch it up. Ugh. Got that all mixed, hitting it with another round. But I promise you, I'm letting my ancestors move me on a lot of this. And got that butter in there. Boom. Hot honey buffalo fried shrimp. My new favorite thing. Y'all tell me what you think after this. You know what I mean? I want to hear all of it. That buffalo. It's going to be some gas, I'm telling you. I just did that, man, just to be a little different. I was trying to show out, I ain't gonna lie, but fuck it worked. Hit him with that, spin him around. Hit that grease with the wooden, handle. Once it start bubbling, it's ready. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what the temp is, but it's frying. Yeah. I don't want to sound no kind of way, but look at that. Don't them look beautiful? Rest of y'all up out of here, baby. Okay. Hit it with another round. Boom. And like I told y'all, I'm a new YouTuber. I'm a new content creator. Get at me, man. Share my video. Comment. But I can't cook though. I'm gonna do it. I like to eat good food. Look at that. No capping on it. Y'all know look at that. It's gold. You don't want to cook them too long. These are shrimp. You still want them to be, right. Yeah. Come on, man. Look at that. Don't that make y'all want to pop in and just grab one of them? Let me get my last one up out of there. Yeah, there go that. Look at that. Hitting with that hot glaze, that hot honey buffalo. Saucing it up. Saucing it up, tossing it up. I ain't gonna lie, man. This smelling fire. Look at that, bro. Hey, y'all, I don't care. I don't. Look at that. on me, you know what I mean? Show a little love. I know everybody doing something, but come on, nigga. Gas. Check me out. Okay. Ooh, that ranch. Oh my God, y'all don't even understand. Man, come on.